My favorite thing about Palabra is the time that it saves me.
Palabra day to day is a great tool. I think it saves me time, it saves me effort.
Is probably the fact that I have complete control over my dictation.
Is that when I leave at the end of the day, my dictations are done. I don't have to wait for a transcription service. I don't have to expect to have to go through dictations I've done 2 days earlier and correct. I mean, it's great.
Palabra has been integral to our organization because it allowed the physicians at Arizona Oncology Radiation to go paperless.
My favorite thing about Palabra is that you can do the report and it can be sent immediately to our referring physicians.
As you're speaking, and then as soon as you're done dictating, you just send it off. You don't have to come back after it's transcribed and try to remember what you said 5 or 7 days later.
Palabra has been helping me save time on my dictations.
Palabra has helped us tremendously.
We started using Palabra with 1 or 2 physicians and has grown significantly in our network just based on word of mouth and the success of the product itself.
Well, I mean, there's so many things that I think you asked for one and I can't stop at one.
You'll love it.
Our doctors love the time saving.
I would say the Palabra on a given day saves me a lot of time.
I mean, it takes a lot less time to do all the paperwork I have to do.
I think the main benefit is time. It saves them time.
It saves at the other end of having to review stuff, because now the day you see the patient, you can you can have the note done, check it off, and be done with it.
It saves me time on the completion documents because a lot of things that you routinely would say get populated into your document.
Weekly checks, they look so good because Palabra automatically pulls in the dose where the patient's at, pulls in the vital signs. So it just makes the on-treatment checks so much easier as well. I mean, there's so many things.
There's no question it's saved us money, direct money, just in terms of the allowing us to reduce transcription expense. Expense has gone down significantly. It's been more than worth the implementation fee and the annual subscription fee.
Palabra has been a great investment for RMCC. We used to spend almost $10,000 a month on transcription, and it really has decreased the cost of transcription.
Palabra has been a wonderful investment on so many, just the financial impact that it has had on our organization, being able to downsize our outsourced transcription costs.
We were able to save the entire amount of our dictation.
All those folks are nice. I tell you, they are very nice people. They are really good.
The Palabra team has been excellent. The level of service, the leadership and the team overall are very down to earth. Refreshing to see a company that really does focus on the customer and make sure that we're getting our needs met.
The Palabra team's the best part of Palabra.
It's very satisfying because they're very prompt and responsive to my questions.
The thing that is also unique about Palabra is the team that's working with you.
The Palabra team is a great team to work with. Their implementation strategy is very hands-on with the physicians.
Wade and Amalia are a dream to work with.
I think the Palabra team is fabulous. I think they are customer focused. Their availability and their unassuming nature just make them easy to work with and really assisted in the buy-in of the whole process that has resulted in significant savings in our organization.
It's been very easy to work with the Palabra team.
It's so easy to work with Palabra, and the support is unbelievable.
I would strongly recommend Palabra. I think it saves both time and money.
Highly.
I would ask someone who's not using Palabra why they're not making things easy for them, because we all have to document. It makes that so much easier. And so really the question is why aren't you using it?
Definitely would. It saves money, saves time, and you have complete control.
I would absolutely recommend Palabra.
Yes, I think it helps save time and cost and efficiency.
Absolutely. I would recommend it to all sites.
Yes, I recommend Palabra very highly. In fact, I think a year from now we're going to be flabbergasted at how we were able to function without it.
I highly recommend it.